So I just wanted to do a short video today on a giveaway we're doing for our channel. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving away this vented beekeeper veil, or a vented hat with a beekeeper veil, and then the one-handed queen catcher, some beetle blasters, this bee crossing, a Man Lake wax dipped 5-frame nuke box, and you can also make it vented here on the front and the back. If you want to cut that out, put screen in, you can. Let me see here. And I'll probably just send this one that's already put together and stapled on the sides. And another thing too, we're going to add in this giveaway is one design of choice out of any of the designs that we have in our Etsy shop on Etsy. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to see our designs, and the winner will get to choose from those designs any shirt color, any size, any one design. But anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And how you will be entered to win is like, share, and leave a comment down in the comments below where you shared, and that'll be it. And what we'll do is we'll use TubeBuddy to randomly select the winner. Most likely we'll go 30 days from today, so just keep checking back, and we'll do a video and announce the winner here in roughly about 30 days from now. All right, thanks for watching Honeybee Highway.